Treasure Among Diamonds. Journal article. In March 1533, a ship named Bom Jesus sailed from Lisbon, Portugal. It was headed for India. At the time, Portugal was in its full glory as a rich and powerful nation. Its kings and queens sent ships to trade in faraway places. It was a tradition to celebrate when a ship sailed. Flags waved in the harbor. Castles displayed colorful banners. In this way, people waved goodbye to the crew of the Bom Jesus. After leaving Lisbon, the ship approached the Atlantic Ocean. It was carrying a magnificent load of gold and copper for trading. Pieces of these metals would be traded for rare spices such as pepper and cloves. Later, the spices could be sold for a lot of money. In those days, ship travel was not for the meek or easily frightened sailor. Danger was always near. Storms could arise. Ships could split apart on rocks. From 1525 to 1600, 21 ships bound for India were lost at sea. 4 or 5 months after leaving Lisbon, the Bom Jesus was approaching the tip of Africa. Suddenly, a wild storm pushed the ship toward the shore. The ship struck rocks. All that was on board spilled into the sea. The Bom Jesus sank out of sight. Hundreds of years later, diamonds were discovered in the African country of Namibia. The discovery happened to take place near the rocks where the Bom Jesus had sunk. Now a company had opened a diamond mine at the site. In 2008, a mine worker found an oddly shaped piece of copper on the beach. He took it to the mine company's geologist. The geologist, a scientist who studies the earth, recognized the piece. It was an ingot, a block of copper. He knew it would have been traded for spices long ago. The geologist also knew that if there was a copper ingot, there was a good chance that a shipwreck was nearby. He described the findings to scientists who searched for shipwrecks. However, since the diamond mining company owned the beach, the mine owners had to approve any plan for a search. The response of the mine owners was prompt. They agreed that scientists could look for the ship's wreckage. However, they would only give the searchers 10 weeks. Also, the owners would be watchful to make sure no diamonds disappeared from the beach. That meant examining each shipwreck item before it was removed from the site. The scientists believed that the ship was the Bom Jesus. Their guess turned out to be right. By the end of their search, they had uncovered 50 pounds of gold. They found 22 tons of copper ingots. They discovered cannons, swords, guns, and ivory. A wooden part of the ship was recovered too. All these treasures helped to tell the story and revive the memory of people who sailed the sea so long ago.